What if I told you that $1,000 could become 1,420 in less than 5 minutes? Without guessing, without luck, and without starting charts. That's not magic, that's arbitrage. And I am about to show you exactly how it works, live right now with real money. As you can see, this is my real money account. On my Binance account, I have 10,849 USDT. That's cash 1,409,612,000 in Kenyan shillings, guys. So the question is, how did I make this kind of money? And today I'm going to show you exactly step by step. So, and this one, as you can see here, this is Binance. This is Binance exchange. It's called mybinance.com. This is where I buy USDT on Binance and then I sell it back on mybinance.com. Let me show you something surprising. When I log into mybinance.com here, let me log in. And then I go to P2P trading, guys, and then I click on buy, and then I choose USDT, and then I put amount. I want to buy USDT worth 1,000. You can see USDT worth 1,000, guys, will bring how much? Let me put 1,000 here, and then you see the return will be 1,346. So that's what we call the crypto arbitrage. Simply you buy low there on Binance and then you come and sell it high here, or you can buy it low on Binance.com and then sell it high on my Binance.com. Okay, guys. So if right now you can make this trade, you'll walk home with the 346 USDT in profit in less than 3 minutes, guys. So I'm going to show you step by step on to how to do it. So the first step, you need to create an account. You can see I have an account on my Binance.com, and then you need to go to P2P. Okay. Once you come to P2P, you'll choose your offers according to the amount that you have from 46 USDT. So guys, since I already have amount on my Binance account, I'm not going to deposit. Sorry, I'm not going to buy USDT. Instead, I'm going to sell. Okay, so I'll come on sell here. So you can see if I put USDT and then I sell 1,000 like this, I'm going to get 993. So this is not a profit. I'll close that offer and then I'll find this one, sell this one 1,000. You see, I'll get 1,358, guys. So what I'll do now, the next step, because I've figured who I'm going to trade with is Elena. I'll go back to my account wallet, and then guys, I'll click on deposit and then USDT. So now I'm going to fund my Binance account, and then I put amount 1,000, click continue, and then guys, I'll copy the address given, and then I'll go to my Binance account, click on assets, click send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then along press that address I copied there. The network I'll put TRX TRC20, and amount guys I'll put 1,001 because of $1 fee. And then guys, I'll click on withdraw, and then I'll confirm the withdrawal. So now guys, I'm confirming my withdrawal. You can see the withdrawal is now processing. So now I'll not close this session, I'll just screenshot it, and then I'll go back here and scroll down, then choose to upload that screenshot that I have taken there, then upload, guys. You can see. So after uploading the screenshot, I'll click on submit. Very nice. You can see now it's now processing on the blockchain, so I'll now wait for it to be credited to my account in a few minutes. So guys, you can see, let me refresh and see whether it has been credited. Okay, I'll go back, and you can see my deposit has been already credited. So if I go to deposit history, you can see it here, it has been credited. So now the next step, guys, I'm going to sell it. Let me log in again, don't worry. So I'm going to click on the three dots, go to P2P trading, click on sell, and then I'll choose USDT, and then I'll put $1,000. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to find Elena. You can see now the price has changed from 1.39 to 1.2, but still I'm going to get a profit of about 200 USDT. So I'll put 1,000 first before the price goes. You can see now the profit has reduced, guys, but no problem. So I'll click on continue payment. Now I'll choose USDT, and then guys, this is what you need to do. There is a way that you can get paid through payment address. This one you put your payment address, and this one is your Binance Spot wallet. So you choose either. Okay, so now I'm going to choose my payment address, which the next step, and then I'll go on my Binance account and then put that address there. So I'm going to add deposit crypto USDT TRX, copy this address, and then guys, I'll paste it here, and then that's where I'm going now to receive my payment to, and then click submit, guys. Okay, you can see now that it's now processing. So now I will text the vendor to pay me to the address. Hi, please pay to the address provided. So guys, I'm waiting for the vendor to pay to my address. Okay, let's wait for it to come, guys, just in a few. So guys, as you can see now, the vendor has said that he has paid me, but he has not yet released the trade. So I'm waiting for the vendor to release the trade. The vendor has texted me, I have paid, but he needs to verify this trade first. So let's wait for a few minutes. Just be patient for the vendor to mark this trade as paid, and then we check whether we have received our funds. You can see now the vendor has marked the trade as paid, so that means it's paid. Let me now go to my Binance and check whether the trade has really been paid, guys. So I'll refresh. You can see now I have a profit. I have received 1,177. So you can see that's 1,177. The vendor has paid to my address, and so since I confirmed I have received the trade, I'm going to release. And make sure, guys, if the vendor has not paid to your address, do not release the trade. Just click dispute, and then once you dispute, support will come and solve your case and return your money. So now, because the vendor has paid to my address, I'm going to release this trade, and then guys, I'm going to put a review and say the best. Okay, and then submit, guys. You can see, so that's how simply you can trade using P2P and make profit. So you can see now I have profit. I have made within a few minutes 1,177. So that's a profit of 177, guys, in a few minutes. So you need to think about this, guys, and start trading today. And I wish you all the best and the best week ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video.